Welcome students, today we are going to study Geography chapter 2nd, Globe, Latitudes and Longitudes. What we will learn from this chapter? So we are going to study from this chapter what is globe, what are latitudes, what are longitudes, which are the heat zones of the earth and Indian Standard Time Meridian. So step by step we are going to study all these points from this chapter. Now you can see here the planet Earth, our dear planet Earth where we live. Here in this image you can see dark bluish proportion which covers water, which shows water. And on the planet Earth near about 71% proportion which covers by the water and remaining 29% area which covered by the land, where we build our houses, where we build roads and do agricultural activities and so on. Now here as we have seen that near about 71% water covered by the planet Earth, but then two very less amount of water proportion which is fit for human consumption, and for that reason there is a need to save water again and again. Now you can see this is the globe. The globe is true model of the planet Earth in a small manner. Now you can see here this is North Pole and this is South Pole. North Pole and South Pole which is quite tilted in manners and it is called as axis. Through this axis Earth rotates west to east direction. Now you can see west, this is west direction and this is east direction. So west to east in this manner Earth rotate and this is called its axis. This is what? North Pole and this is South Pole. Now see the globe. The globe is true model of the earth in a small form. A needle called the axis is fixed through the globe in a tilted manner. The axis of the globe passes through two extreme points known as poles, North Pole and South Pole. This axis is shown in the form of needle on the globe. The real earth has no such axis, even though this is the model of our planet Earth. But to the planet Earth, such a type of axis we cannot see. So we can see the axis to just only the globe. Globe is a true model of the earth. A needle is fixed through the globe in a tilted manner which is called its axis. The imaginary line running on the globe divides it into equal parts. This is known as equator. All parallel circles from the equator up to the poles are called parallels of latitudes. Latitude is measured in degrees. All latitudes are measured in degrees. As we move away from the equator, the size of the parallels of latitude decreases. Now, how? I will show you. Now here, see my dear student, this is planet Earth and Earth divide it into two equal parts. It is called as equator. Equator shows 0 degree and this is also called as parallel lines. These parallel lines are imaginary lines and this equator divide earth into two equal halves. There are other parallel lines, other imaginary lines on the globe. Here these parallel or horizontal lines are called as latitudes. This is, my dear students, North Pole. This is South Pole. 0 degree above the proportion or above the area is called as north hemisphere, and below 0 degree equator the area which called as south hemisphere. Here you can see this is north hemisphere and this is about the south hemisphere. So these are imaginary lines on the planet Earth. We are called as latitudes. Now here see, these are the latitudes. These lines are called as latitudinal lines, which are imaginary lines, which are not available on the planet Earth but on the globe for our consideration, to us to study well, to show location, to locate the places. For that reason these imaginary lines shown on the globe. And these lines you can see here, these vertical lines on the planet Earth, these lines are called as longitudinal lines, and horizontal lines, these lines are latitudes. Now parallels of latitudes. The four important parallels of latitudes are Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degree north, Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degree south, Arctic Circle 66.5 degree north, and Antarctic Circle 66 degree and a half south. Now see here, this is planet Earth, this 0 degree it means equator, then here 23.5 degree north, Tropic of Cancer, and 23.5 degrees south, that is Tropic of Capricorn. Then Arctic Circle 66.5 degree north, and Antarctic Circle 66.5 degree south. So these are four imaginary lines, four important parallels of latitudes. Those see, you can see here equator, this is Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degrees north, 23.5 degree north, and Antarctic Circle 66.5 degree north. Then here Tropic of Capricorn you can see 23.5 degrees south, and Antarctic Circle 66.5 degree south. So here above this area which comes in north hemisphere, and below 0 degree equator this area comes in south hemisphere. You have to remember. Now heat zones of the earth. Torrid zone receives, there are three heat zones on the planet Earth: torrid zone, temperate zone. You can see here torrid zone, temperate zone, and frigid zone. Torrid zone receives maximum heat, and maximum heat where? It is definitely on the equator, because which is at the central part, and where that central part which receives straight sunlight. Then temperate zone has a moderate temperature, and frigid zone has a cold climate, because on the frigid zone totally slanting sun rays falls all the time, and cause of that frigid zone which has very cold climate. Now you can see here torrid zone. Here this is the torrid zone where sunlight falls straight, and this zone receives very straight sunlight, and cause of that here lot of heat is there. Then these temperate zones, this zone receives moderate temperature, and this is frigid zone. This is north frigid zone, this is south frigid zone, where very cold temperature, means sunlight falls slanting over there. You can see here on this area sunlight falls straight, and on the frigid zone sunlight falls slanting. Cause of that, these frigid zones receives very cold climate. Now longitudes. As we have seen, longitudes which are the vertical lines. The lines of reference running from North Pole to South Pole is called meridians of longitudes. The distance between them is measured in degrees of longitudes. All meridians are of equal length. The meridian which passed through Greenwich, where the British Royal Observatory is located, is called the prime meridian. The value of prime meridian is 0 degree longitude, and from it we count 180 degree eastward as well as 180 degree westward. Some meridians divide the earth into two equal halves, the eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. 180 degree east and 180 degree west meridians are on the same line. We can locate any point on the globe if we know its latitude and longitude. Now how it is? See, this is our planet Earth. Here this is North Pole, this is South Pole. This pole considered as 0 degree, and here this is Greenwich, means the place in Britain which recognized as world standard time, is also called as prime meridian. And from this prime meridian, 180 degree east, 180 degree east and 180 degree west, these lines are considered. Now we have seen the parallels of latitudes 0 degree to above, as move towards the poles, decreases in degrees, but these all parallels of longitudes are equal in length. All these lines, longitudinal lines, are equal in length. Now longitude and time. As the earth rotates from west to east, those places east of Greenwich will be ahead of Greenwich time, and those to the west will be behind it. Now you can see here, this is prime meridian which considered 0 degree, which recognized, and this is east and this is west. So sun rises in the east. So those countries are in the eastern hemisphere. This is eastern hemisphere. So they are ahead. And those countries in the western hemisphere, this is western hemisphere, are behind. Okay. So these places are ahead, which are there in the eastern hemisphere, and in the western hemisphere which places are there, those are behind. The earth rotates 36 degrees in about 24 hours. At any place a watch can be adjusted to read at 12 o'clock when the sun is at the highest point in the sky. Now see, some of the countries, suppose here, so suppose sun is ahead on this country, so that time is considered as 12. Okay, and for one round purpose, 360 degree, to complete one round it require total 24 hours, means 1 day. Now the standard time. What is standard time? See, the local time various places are different. So it is necessary to adopt the local time of some central meridian of a country as the standard time. In India, 82 and a half degree east is treated as standard meridian of India. You can see here in India, see this is the standard Indian standard time, which is situated on the longitude 82 and a half degree eastern hemisphere. Okay, we are already in the eastern hemisphere. This portion, this area is in the eastern hemisphere. This area is in the western hemisphere. You can see in the for initiations used here, W means west and E is considered as east. So India is in the eastern hemisphere. So Indian standard time here 82 and a half degree east, and which is passed through Allahabad. Also we can see central part from our country, Tropic of Cancer passes. 23 and a half degree north, Tropic of Cancer. It means N 23 and a half degree north, Tropic of Cancer, and Tropic of Cancer location is in the north hemisphere. So our country's location is in the north hemisphere. Now see, India located east of Greenwich as 82 and a half degree east is 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead of Greenwich Mean Time. Now here see, this is considered as 0 degree means 12 noon, and after that our country is ahead of 5:30 minutes ahead because it is in the east. So from the from the Britain country Greenwich, from there our country in the time 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead. Some countries have a great longitudinal extent, and so they have adopted more than one standard time. See my dear students, some of the countries area wise very vast like Russia, and cause of that to them to refer or treat one standard time means quite difficult, and cause of that such countries adopting more than one standard time. But in India there is only one standard time, that is 82 and a half degree east. Okay, this is what about our Indian standard time passing through this place Allahabad. Thank you. I hope you understood the chapter.